In today's video, we'll be doing a step-by-step tutorial on Kajabi. We'll be taking you through the entire process from setting up your account with Kajabi to building your website, creating your online course, and setting up your first sales and marketing funnels. If you would like to follow along with this video, we'll leave a link below for a 14-day Kajabi trial. Kajabi offers 3 different plans, and for this video, we're going to go with the basic plan. Now, in the basic plan, you're able to create 3 products, and products are simply anything from an online course to a coaching program or a membership site. And you're also able to create 3 different pipelines. And pipelines are just the funnels that you use to get new customers to buy your Kajabi products. And you also have access to 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active members on the Kajabi basic plan. If you want to see a detailed breakdown of every single Kajabi plan, then I suggest you watch the video that we recently made in which we went over every single Kajabi plan, its features, and what exactly you're getting in each plan. We'll leave a link for that video in the description below. But in this video, we'll be creating an online course using the basic plan. Once you sign up for Kajabi, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to settings. And from here, you want to change some of the settings that are default, and you also just want to make sure that the settings and the information is correct. So first, you want to head over to site details. And from here, you'll be able to change the domain of your Kajabi website. All you need to do is click the current Kajabi domain, and then you'll be able to edit the name of the domain. And this is where you'll also be able to upload your site logo. And once you've uploaded your logo, you'll also be able to change the colors for your website. So whatever colors you'll be using in your branding, you can always update that here. And you want to make sure that you're taking the time out to do this, because this is the information that the search engines will read. Next, you want to edit the marketing settings. So you want to head over to marketing settings, and from here, you want to make sure that you're putting your address and you're making sure that your name and your phone number is correct. And you want to upload your logo here as well, if you want your logo to be included in your marketing emails. And to save some time when you're starting to build your sales and marketing funnels, what you can do is connect any external email softwares that you're using or any external landing page builders that you're using. So if you wanted to connect MailChimp or Aweber or ConvertKit, then you'll be able to do so here. All you would have to do is click the on button, and from here, you'll be able to enter the API key. And once you do so, then MailChimp or whatever software you're using will be connected to Kajabi. And once you've made those changes, you can now move on to building your Kajabi website. When you first start to build your Kajabi website, the default Encore theme is going to be installed. And if you want to see what that theme looks like, all you would have to do is click Preview. And from here, you'll be able to see what the theme looks like, what's included in the theme, and what you can add on this theme. As you can see, it's pretty basic and it looks like every other Kajabi website. So we always recommend that you switch the default Kajabi theme to one of the already pre-made themes in the Kajabi library. And to do so, all you would have to do is click Pick a Theme, and from here, you'll be able to see all the different Kajabi themes, and you can pick whichever one you like the best. For this tutorial, we'll be going with the Kim theme, but the strategies of building a website can work with any Kajabi theme. Once you click Get Started on your theme, it will automatically be uploaded onto your Kajabi website. If you want to edit the theme, all you have to do is click Customize. And from here, you'll be able to customize your new theme. And the Kajabi builder is very intuitive, which means if you want to change anything, you simply click on it, and then from there, you'll be able to change it. So for instance, if I wanted to change the heading writing here, I would click in this box, and from here, I'll be able to edit whatever writing or whatever sentence I would like to. And if you want to delete a block of writing, you can always click on it and you scroll to the bottom and you'll be able to delete that block. And to edit your header picture, you would want to click on the background, and from here you'll see the image that's uploaded right now on the heading. And from here you'll upload a new file. And if you wanted to edit a button on your section, you would just click the edit button, and from here you can choose where you want the person to be led to once they click that button. So if you want them to go to a landing page, you would select that. If you wanted them to go to a checkout page, you would select that. If you wanted them to download a file, then you would choose that as well. So you have options when it comes to where you want the person to go to once they click that button. If you also wanted to change the button background color or the text color, you can do so here as well. You can also change the button style if you want it to be solid or if you want it to be an outline. And you can also change the size of the buttons. Once you're happy with your header, you can always move on to the second section. If you feel like something's missing within a section or you want to add a new feature in a section, then what you would do is, once you're on that section, just select the background, and from here you'll be able to see an overview of this section. So within this section we can see a text, which is here, and 3 features, and these are the features. And you would click add content, and from here you'll be able to add a call to action, an image, a form, a pricing table, and a bunch of different other blocks. So let's go ahead and choose the countdown timer. And as you can see, our countdown timer has been added within this section. If you're scrolling down the theme that you chose on Kajabi and you find that there's a section that you would like to add, all you have to do is on the left hand bar, you would click add section. And from here, you'll be able to add basic content such as a text or a 3-column text or a call to action. You can also add a hero section, which is the same as this section at the top, or you can add opt-in forms, images, audios, videos, and pricing. And to add a section, you would just click on that section itself and click add. And once you've updated the content, if you don't like where that section is, you can move that section to anywhere on your home page. In order to do this, you want to look on the left-hand side of the website builder. And what you want to do is click on that section. And once you do so, you'll be able to visually move this to anywhere on the website. So if I wanted this section to be right under my 3 feature columns, I would drag it and drop it. And as you can see, the section moves. And if I wasn't happy with any of the pre-built sections, I can always go to them and I would be able to delete that whole section. So you're going to want to go through each section and each block and customize it for your branding and for your colors and whatever you would like to be on your home page. If you guys want to see the full tutorial of how we built this website, then we'll leave a link in the description below. Now that your website is complete, it's time to start building your online course product. And to do so, you would just click under the product section in your Kajabi dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to add a new product. What's great about Kajabi is that they already have pre-made templates for products, which makes it a lot easier for you when you're creating your product. Since we'll be creating an online course, this is the template in which I'm going to use. But if you were an online coach or if you had a membership site, you would simply choose that template. Once you've generated your online course, this is what the back end of the online course is going to look like. So this is where you'll be able to upload any videos, any audio, any PDFs, or any other information that you would like to have in your course. By default, these placeholders will already be included in the back end of your online course. So you're going to want to start uploading your own content. And to do so, you would click on the section that you like to edit. So this is known as your category and this is known as your post. So if you wanted to edit your category, you'd click it. And from here, you can change the title. And once you've finished updating the category, now you can edit the post. And the post is where your content is going to be. And this is where you'll add your video, your audio, or your assessment. And you would follow the same process for other categories and other posts. And if you wanted to rearrange your post, again, you would just click it and you can drag it up to wherever you want it to be. And in order to add an assessment, you actually need to have already created an assessment. So to create an assessment, you head over to People, and under People, you'd be able to create a new assessment. And to edit the questions, you would click right here. And from here, you'll be able to add your questions and also choose whether or not you want it to be a multiple choice, a paragraph, multiple selection, or a section. So we'll do a classic multiple choice question. And you just want to repeat this process to add as many questions as you would like, and we'll choose the assessment that we just created. And from here, you can see the questions that you've created in that assessment. And once you've updated all of your categories and all of your posts, and you've made sure to add in your course materials, what you want to do is then preview your course so you can see what your course looks like from a student's perspective. As you can see, they'll be able to see the categories, the post, all of the PDFs and the assessments in which you've uploaded onto the course. We always recommend that once you're finished uploading your course material, that you customize and change this theme to a more modern and better looking Kajabi course player. And to do so, all you would have to do is click Customize. And from here, you'll be able to choose a different course player and get a better course look. You can always look into different themes to see whichever one you like the best. But for this tutorial, and what we usually use is the Momentum theme. Once it's installed, you're just going to need to activate that theme. And once it's activated, you're going to click Customize. And you can already see that this is a much better looking and more intuitive course player than the default course player. And similar to the website builder, anything that you need to edit, you can just click on that block and you'll be able to edit the information. If you need to change the colors and the look of the course player, then you just head over to Settings, and from here you can change the font and you can change the overall color scheme. So if you wanted to change the primary color to red and the accent color to gray, and you click Save, then you'll be able to see what that changes would look like. And this is what students will see, and this is where they'll be able to navigate the content on your course player. Now that you've created your website and your online course, it's time to build your sales and marketing funnel. And once you head over to Pipelines, you want to click New Pipeline. And from here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of different pre-made Kajabi pipelines. And this is great because these pipelines are already pre-made, which means all you have to do is figure out what your objective is, use that specific pipeline, and then follow the instructions on the pipeline. And since we've just created our online course, we're going to use the popular pipeline, which is called the Sales Page OVO. And once you click the pipeline, you'll be able to see a quick overview of what that pipeline would look like. So first, the customer would opt in, and then we'll send out a series of 8 emails, which leads the customer to the sales page and then eventually to the checkout. And once you create the pipeline, you'll be able to see the overview of the pipeline. You'll be able to see the customer journey from where the customer starts to where they'll end up. And to edit any section of the pipeline, you're going to want to just click on that section. And similar to the website builder, you'll just have to click on any blocks or sections that you want to edit. And this is the page in which you'll be offering a freebie to customers in return for their emails. And once you collect the emails, over the next 8 days, emails will automatically be sent to the customer, in which they'll be able to see your offer and then be able to go onto your sales page, and from your sales page be able to buy your product. In order to edit the opt-in page in which you collect the customer's email, you just want to click on any block or any sections that you would like to update. And you always want to make sure that in the opt-in page, you're offering something that your target market would actually need. So you want to make sure that you're offering some sort of solution to a problem that they're currently facing. So if your online course is catered to online creators to help them get more sales, then in your opt-in page, you can have an ebook on how to get more customers to your online course without spending money on ads. So this would be a very appealing ebook so that when it shows up in front of those creators, they'll be more than happy to put their name and their email in for that free ebook. And once you're finished creating your opt-in page, you're going to want to edit your emails. And to edit any emails, you just want to click on that email and you'll be able to change the subject, and you'll be able to add your course and your business information in the body of the emails. And the best part about these emails is that it's already pre-made, which means all you have to do is add in your unique information where it's necessary. But for the most part, these email templates are really well done. So all you have to do is essentially follow what's already there. And once you've edited all of the emails, next is your sales page. And this is very similar to the Kajabi website builder. So again, if you wanted to move any sections, you'd be able to do so right on the right hand side. If you wanted to edit a section, you would just click that section. And if you wanted to add a content in a section, you would click the background and add the content through here. And when you're editing your sales page, you want to make sure that you're adding as much information as you can. Sales page is to convince someone to buy your service or product. And once you've finished customizing your opt-in page, your emails, and your sales page, your pipeline will be complete. And now all you have to do is copy the link, and if you put that into a browser, then you'll be able to go through the full pipeline. And you want to make sure that you're testing out your pipeline. So you're going to want to put your name and your email and go through the customer journey to see where there's places for improvement and to make sure that there's no mistakes in the pipeline. And once you've went through your pipeline as a customer and you're happy or you've made any changes that were needed, your pipeline is now complete. And there you have it. You've now created your first website in Kajabi, and you've also created your first online course product, and you're well on your way to getting your first paying customer by setting up your sales and marketing funnel. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that you're one step closer to launching and selling your online course in Kajabi. If you would like to follow along with this video, we'll leave a link below for a 14-day Kajabi trial. And subscribe for more videos on how to create and sell online courses.